I am finally opening up some more Series 2 Squish-a-Longs today. I have the 25 pack as well as 2 different 14 packs. There's going to be a total of 53 new Squish-a-Longs. Let's go to the close-up camera and open them all up. I'm going to be starting off with the 2 14 sets. Let's open up this one first. We can see lots of cute Squish-a-Longs through the plastic here. We have 4 cute accessories, a Squish-a-Long ring, and there will be a mystery Squish-a-Long. If we look on the back, we can see the names of each of the Squish-a-Longs, and also look how cute these Squish-a-Longs look in the accessories. So excited to get out that skateboard and cloud bucket hat. Oh my goodness. It's always a little tricky to figure out where to open these ones from. Squish-a-Longs, be free. This is going to be our mystery Squish-a-Long. I'm going to save that till the end. And we'll take a look at these glorious creatures first. So, the first Squish-a-Long of the day is Pepper the Pink Walrus. This is my first walrus Squish-a-Long. She's super cute with her little fins and her little tusks. She's also got some hair on the top, and then on the back there's a cute little tail. Next up we have Mario the German Shepherd. You can see he has a few different shades of brown on him. He also has a little tail on the back. Then this one is very cute. It's a cow named Clay. She almost looks like a strawberry cow with the colors. She also has a little tail on the back as well. Now this one is an actual strawberry Squish-a-Long. Well, it's a strawberry cat. I love these food animal fusion ones. I think they're so adorable. There's just so many cute little details, like the leaves on the top and all the strawberry seeds. Then here we have Greer the Grasshopper. Pretty sure this is my first grasshopper Squish-a-Long. Grasshoppers have wings on their side and then a stripy belly, and I love the antennas. Then we have this peacock Squish-a-Long. I love the peacock Squish-a-Longs. They're just so cool with their big tails. This is what the tail looks like on the back. Not as grand as it looks on the front. Then here we have Gary the Giraffe. He's another quite detailed Squish-a-Long. He's got the lighter brown spots and then darker brown on the antennas and on the mane. Oh, he also has dark brown on his tail too. Very cute. Then we've got this one, which is a sleeping llama. And whenever I see a llama Squish-a-Long, I'm always just like, why don't they have bellies? Like, where's the stomach? I don't understand why it doesn't have it. This next creature, I always get confused by this one. Is it an alien? Is it a slug? Is it an alien slug? I do like how its orange antennas match its orange stripes. That is very nice. Then we have Tortuga the crocodile. I met Tortuga in my Micromello video. I do really like him in Squish-a-Long form too. He's got different spots on his stomach. He's got his little teeth, and look at those spikes going down his back. Very, very nice. Then here we have Samir the whale. So cute. He's got little stripes on his belly and then little rosy cheeks. Here's a better look at all his fins on the back as well. Then we've got Woxie the Bigfoot. I love how they do the Bigfoot Squish-a-Longs. They're so cute with all their hair poking out and their little feet, of course. Here is what she looks like sitting on 5-inch Woxie. Then last one before we do the mystery pack, this is Bertwin. He's a bearded dragon. He has been staring at us from back there this whole time. Let's get the accessory out and have a look at how he actually looks in this hat. He does look very stylish in it, but because of his little frills, it doesn't quite fit unless I squash the frills. Okay, there we go. Very stylish fellow indeed. And we've also got to try the skateboard. So this is what the skateboard looks like. It has the hole there, so you can sit him in the hole, and then you grab your ring from underneath and twist it in place so you can ride along on the skateboard. Hey, the wheels are a different color. Let's also compare this cat while we're here. Looking pretty good. Let's find out who the mystery one was. Hopefully someone I don't have. And it's a dog that I do have. I'm pretty sure this dog's name is Cooper. He's very cute because he's got one floppy ear. He does look particularly cute on the skateboard. Alright, on to the next 14 pack. Very similar to the last one. We've got 14 Squish-a-Longs, 4 accessories, a ring, and a mystery Squish-a-Long. Here Here is the back with all their names, and these Squishmallows looking very snazzy. Here's the mystery one, which I'm once again gonna save for later. And let's take a look at all these ones. So the first Squish-a-Long from the second pack is this cute blue deer. I'm loving all the detail on Zam. The antennas are like a metallic blue color. Then he's got a light blue mane. Oh, he's also got a light blue tail at the back. Back at the front, you can see he has a little diamond on his head, a little beard, and a lighter blue belly. Then this one here is Tristan the chicken. Got a darker yellow body with lighter yellow features. Next up is Kana the sushi, our first food Squish-a-Long of the day. If you look closely, you can see that the body is covered in lots of little texture marks to represent the rice. Now this is Abbott. To me, he looks like an anteater. He's got little pink ears and then a white stripe that goes all the way around. Then we have Gordon the shark. Nothing too fancy happening with Gordon, just the usual shark features, including the tail on the back. Then we've got this cute little otter. I love its facial expression, so sweet. And then on the back it has, wait a second, that's a beaver tail. I think this might be a beaver, not an otter. Next we've got another aquatic animal, the platypus. I'm pretty sure this is my first platypus Squish-a-Long. It's really cute. I like its beak a lot. Why doesn't it have the marks on the tail? Platypus have those tails too, don't they? I mean, Perry the platypus does, and this actually looks quite a similar color to Perry the platypus. If only this were brown, it would be perfect. Then we have Elle the penguin, and I cannot tell what is happening with the white paint here. Is it meant to be kind of see-through because it looks really patchy, but it doesn't look like an even amount of patchy? I'm not sure if that's intentional or not. The other sad thing about this one is she's got a really big dent from the packaging. Look at that. Quite a lot of the ones in this pack do, which is sad. See this guy here, right where his spots are, he has a dent there too. Such a shame because he's such a cute little guy, this one. His name is Chest. I actually thought his name was like Chet. Did they change his name? Is this a different guy? Okay, I just checked Squad app and I was right. His name is Chet, not Chest. I do like this guy a lot. I like that he has little blue cheeks. That's very cute. Also love the spots. And how cool is that? Metallic spikes. They look so good. Oh, then he even has stripes on his back. And we have Alonzo the Highland cow. I love this Highland cow with its little smile. He's so happy. He's got some dark brown spots and some lighter brown here. Then he's got his hair here, horns here. Oh, even spots on the back. Then here we have a pink hippo. This one's kind of boring to me. Like all that's happening is it's a pink hippo. Then I love this one. This is Octavia, the octopus. The octopus Squish-a-Longs are so nice. They're so cute with all their legs, especially this one with the multicolored legs. She's another one staring at us from back there. Let's get her this chef's hat. Oh, she looks amazing. And this one stays on really well. What an icon. She's also wearing these alien glasses in the picture, but I don't know how they're gonna fit on with the hat. They really don't fit on very well together. Oh, there we go. And then the last one is the other creature from the back, the clown. Clown Squish-a-Longs are always the most detailed of all the Squish-a-Longs. Look at all these different colors and markings. He's got a hat, green hair. He has a green mark here, which honestly, I don't think that's meant to be there. And we've got the whole clown outfit with the ruffles, the suspenders, the buttons, even detailed on the back too. He is already wearing a hat, but we can add some heart glasses. Can we add heart glasses? I don't know if they fit with his hair. Okay, they do fit. They do fit. And then we've got the watering can, which is like the skateboard. Oh, it goes this way with the flower in the front. Get him to sit in here. Put the ring on. Ta-da! The glasses are a completely different color. So that is 13 of the Squish-a-Longs. Let's open up the last one. The mystery one. Hopefully one I don't have. It's a red squid. I actually do have this one as well. I do like the squid Squish-a-Longs, but a shame to get another double. The last one we're opening up today is this 25 pack. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accessories, the Squish-a-Long ring, and then there will be a mystery Squish-a-Long. The back of this one looks similar to the other ones, but this is actually a box. box. Quite a big box, hard to capture it all on screen. Here we go, we can see them all a lot better now without the reflection. This is the mystery one. Gonna save that till the end. Gonna start off with Celine, the pink shark. Pretty similar to a normal shark design. All the fins on the back there. Unfortunately, it looks like ones from this packet have little dents on them too. Next, we've got Jenna the warthog. I don't love warthog squishmallows, but I do appreciate all the little details this one has. She's got tusks and eyelashes. Then she's got these darker bits for her hair and the tip of her tail. Next, we have Santiago, the original platypus. Does he have a tail with stripes? No, he doesn't. I really think they should have the same tails as the beavers. And we've got Babs the bluebird, one of the OGs. I like all the different shades of blue and these little texture marks that make it look like it's fluffy. And then the stripes continue on the back. Very nice. Okay, next we have this dragon. The dragon squish-alongs are always really nice. They've got little wings and then little ears as well as horns and mane. So I've got all the accents in an orange color. The rest of him's kind of a navy color. And look at all those details on the back. They look so cool. So this is Gavin, the yellow donkey. Fairly standard donkey design. Got his long ears and then a long mane and a little tail. Then we have another walrus. This time it is Giovanni the walrus. It looks pretty similar to Pepper. Oh, this one's another nice one. It's another one of those animal fruit fusions. Its name is Roseanne, and I'm pretty sure it's a fox cross dragon fruit, I think. Oh, she's the model on the back. Let's get out those accessories. So, first up, blue bow. You know, I feel like this blue bow would look a lot better on that walrus we were just looking at. See, now that is glorious. Or even, oh my gosh. That is the cutest thing as a little bow tie. That's his now. Then we also have these glasses. They're orange and see-through. Glasses are pretty cute. I'm not sure they suit this fox that well. Wow, this walrus looks good in everything. Okay, moving back to a squish-along. This is a snail one. The snail one is very interesting. Bit of a different shape to the rest of them. It's got these two antennas here. And then the shell is 3D. It pops out from the main mold. It's got a sort of green and purple tie-dye pattern on it, and these big swirls are engraved here. Next, we've got Hydrangea the butterfly. Oh, I love this one. Monarch butterflies are some of my favorite squishmallows, so it's probably a given that I like it, but just look at the wings. The details are so gorgeous. They don't have the details on the back, but that's okay. The front is perfect. Alright, next we've got this little hamster. This is another one that I'm not like a huge fan of. It's literally just a hamster. That's it. Now this is a rather detailed one. It is a mammoth that also has wings. It is a very nice purple color. Got big tusks, big ears, hair on its head, and the metallic wings. They're so nice. I love wings. This is Ronaldo the Yeti, another squish-along I really love. Well, I just love her design in general. A pink and purple Yeti. Such a nice color combination. You can see lots of little marks where she's meant to be fluffy. I can confirm that the actual Squishmallow is in fact fluffy. And we've got Walter the goat. He's got a white stripe. He's got a little goatee. Horns on his head. Also a tail on the back with multiple colors. Okay, next we've got Tyrone the beetle. Oh my gosh. It has a whole lot of marks on the back. Hang on one sec. Okay, let's compare him. This is Axel from series 1. You see, they have very different backs. Then we've got this raccoon that is Aqua. This one has a bunch of cute details. Got 2 colors in its ears, 2 colors around its eyes. It's got the fluffy stomach. Oh, its tail is even striped. That is so cool. Then we have another bird, a red and black bird. It's got little rosy cheeks and eyelashes, as well as little textured wings and hair on its head. And we've got another bird. I think this one might be a swan. I really like its little crown. That's so cute. It's a metallic silver crown which matches the metallic silver belly. Now, I think this is my first sea cow squish-along. I'm loving the color scheme. The pink and purple looks so good. We've got a couple pink spots and then a big dark purple spot. Oh, it has a little tail too. Got a cute face. It's got little horns. Also got its little fins to swim around. This dog's name is Isabel with a Y. She's got a stripe down the middle and then eyebrows, so I'm not actually sure which kind of dog she is meant to be. She's very cute. I do like her. Then we have this little creature. This is a Squish-a-Long that I actually already have from my mystery Squish-a-Long set. At first I thought it was like a striped bear, mostly because of the round ears. But then if we take a look at the back, it has this long thin tail, which is definitely not a bear tail. So I don't know what this is. Then we have this monkey. Her ears are just so cute. And then she's got a monkey tail on the back as well. Then who is this handsome fellow? It's Bernardo the burrito. I love the metallic shine of his wrapper. I love how they've done the bread bit. It looks so good. Then we've got all the fillings here. Unfortunately, my one does have a little mark under its eye, but he is still beautiful. And then the last one, well, second last one from this pack is this Bigfoot. She has cute little flowers in her hair. And let's see how she rocks this sleep mask. I don't think I can get it to sit how it's sitting in the picture. That's like as good as it's gonna get, and I've kind of twisted the plastic quite a bit to get it to sit like that. Then we've also got this inflatable pool floaty. She can sit in there. Okay, she does look pretty good like this and very similar to the model. And the last accessory the dog can't actually fit in properly. We're gonna have to go with the platypus. Honestly, this suits the platypus perfectly because he's got his little nose right there, ready to change the music as he sees fit. Alright, so here are all the figures we just opened up, as well as the accessories. We just have this mystery one to go. I'm really hoping for a rare one. I've never opened a rare one before. And it looks like it's not a rare one. It is a little seagull. That's pretty cute, and I don't think I have this one. So that is very exciting. Alrighty, so here is a little rainbow view of all the Squish-a-Longs I opened up today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you again with another video soon. Bye!